We have about a 3-pound eye of round here, and we're seasoning it with kosher salt and black pepper. Now we'll get it seasoned up, and I'm going to let it set out for about an hour before we put it in the smoker. And looky here, we have a clean glass. We got our meat stick in, and it's programmed and ready to go. Okay, we got our water pan down below. I'm going to put a drip pan right underneath it, put a little bit of water in it, and we're going to look for an internal temperature of 130 degrees. And we'll be smoking this at 225 degrees. Well, the meat stick says it's ready. We're going to take it in the house and let it rest. And we'll place it in the refrigerator overnight, and then we're going to slice it up. Well, it's the next day already, and we're going to slice this up, and we're slicing it very thin. And this eye round makes good for smoked beef sandwiches. Well, we're going to speed it up a little bit. I cut up about a quarter of it, and then the next day I cut up the rest of it. And what we didn't eat, we vacuum sealed it and put it in the freezer. Hey, this tastes really good. Thin sliced, pulls right apart, made fantastic sandwiches. Now we're gonna make one here. Now, I like to use either Velveeta cheese melted or Cheese Whiz. They both make for a good cheese to go on these sandwiches. But this time, I used a Queso cheese on here. I love Queso cheese. And we tried it with this, and it tasted fantastic. Now I want you to look at that. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.